Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set anchors for UI elements in Godot, and more importantly, why anchors matter when you're building responsive user interfaces. If your UI breaks when you resize the window, this video will fix that. Let's start by creating a simple UI element. In the Scene panel, click the plus button and add a control node. Now, as a child of that control node, add a texture rect. This texture rect will be our example UI element, but everything you learn here applies to buttons, labels, panels, basically any control node. So what exactly are anchors? Anchors define how a UI element positions itself relative to its parent. Instead of using fixed pixel values, anchors let your UI adapt automatically when the screen size or window size changes. This is especially useful for games that support multiple resolutions or resizable windows. With the texture rect selected, look at the top toolbar in the editor. You'll see an Anchor Presets button. Clicking this gives you options like top left, center, full rect, bottom right, and more. For example, selecting center will anchor the texture rect to the center of the screen. Now, when you resize the game window, notice how the element stays centered. Anchors work together with margins. Anchors define where the UI element sticks, and margins define how far it is from those anchor points. You can see and edit these values in the inspector under the Layout section. Understanding this relationship gives you precise control over your UI layout. Anchors are useful anytime your UI needs to adapt. Things like health bars, menus, minimaps, or HUD elements all rely heavily on anchors. Without anchors, your UI might look fine on one resolution and completely break on another. And that's the basics of setting anchors in Godot. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more Godot tutorials, and let me know in the comments what UI topic you want next. See you in the next one.